when you are marketing your product or service in the market and you are hiring employees for your marketing team or hiring an entrepreneur or employees for that purpose, they all say market is so negative about that product or services, about that one. How are you gonna handle them? Yes, because without making people aware, you can't get attention, and because attention is equals to money. If you are not able to generate attention, how you can generate money? Okay, it all depends on attention. You have to hire the correct people who can properly market your products or services in the target market. Okay, the main objection you face that the market is so negative about that work, about that product or services. How are you gonna handle that? Watch out that video, watch out that full video to get the solution. I'm Pashura, business coach, entrepreneur, and influencer marketing specialist. Let's start the video. Okay, I will help you to handle this objection within 5 steps. First step you have to follow. You have to convert yourself into listening mode. Yes, you have to listen to the person because they are throwing objection on you. If you can listen properly, you can take out the pain points so you can handle that objection easily. So what you have to do? First point, you have to utilize feel, felt formula. How are you going to use this formula? You just have to say, I know. Yes sir. You are, yes sir, or good man. You are correct. This work is so negative in the market. I am totally agree with you, but there is some reasons regarding it. Yes, you just have to say, yes sir, oh ma'am, I am agree with you that this work is so negative in the market. We have to handle that situation. There are a lot more things how you gonna handle that thing. What you did, you make the person relax. Yes, you make the person from speaking mode to listening mode. Yes, speaking mode to listening mode. After that, whatever the thing you will say, they will listen patiently and understand the concept. Whatever the concept you are explaining to that person to make that person employee of your business or in your marketing team. Okay. Second step, you have to say, is this the only problem you are facing to start that journey, to start that employee, to start that entrepreneurship journey, or to work in our marketing team? Take a pause of 5 seconds until they respond to you. They say, yes, this is the only problem we are facing to start our work with you. Okay. After that, the third step you have to ask, if the market becomes positive, if the market solve out your negative issues, will you start your work? Will you come in our team, in our marketing team, to spread awareness regarding our product or services? They will say definitely yes. After that, you have to utilize first. You have to give them explanation why the market is so negative about your product or service, or about any exposure, or about any marketing product you are offering to the customers. You have to make them understand why market is so negative about new things, about new opportunities. Yes, what do you have to say? Market is negative due to two reasons. Don't you want to know those two reasons? They will say yes. You have to make them explain. That first reason is many fraudsters, many companies came in our market by thinking that they will do scam, they do fraud with the customers by taking their money. And when they come in the market, they believe in networking. Yes, they spread the awareness regarding their products at a very low cost, because people love to buy the cheap products. Because if you are offering the same features of 60,000 rupees product at a cost of 10,000, why people bother to buy that thing? Yes, you have to make them understand that many companies came at the mindset of they will do fraud with the local people, with the peoples they are offering. They start spreading their awareness by networking, and when a lot of mass of people get caught in their scam, they will provide money. Just like I am remaining a fraud, Freedom 250 Fund. Yes, they are offering a smartphone. This scam happens 10 years ago in India. They offer a smartphone at a cost of just 251 rupees. Yes, just 251 rupees. And when we go into the market and buy a smartphone with least features, it will cost around 2 to 3,000, and they are offering at a cost of 251, just at a cost of 10%. You have to understand that thing. People love to buy these products that if they are getting those specs at low cost, why they bother to buy higher price products? Okay. Same happens with Freedom 251. They spread awareness regarding their Freedom 251 smartphone, and when mass of people get trapped in their scam, they escape from our country and they do a scam of crores of rupees. Yes, crores of rupees. You have to understand that thing, that there are many companies came, many fraudsters came in our country by thinking they will do fraud or scam to the people, and they take out their money and escape from our country. And the second reason is that people start their entrepreneurship journey, people start working in marketing team, and people love fast results, instant results. They want instant results. How you get instant results? If you are starting a business, it takes up to 2 to 5 years to generate some profit. Yes, it takes up to 2 to 5 years to generate some profit. How you gonna understand that you are starting a journey and you get result in 2 months? How is this thing possible? How is this thing possible practically? Same goes for nowadays entrepreneurs. They are heading in their journey and they want results in 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. They can achieve that result, but they have to upgrade their skill set. Money is a byproduct of skill set. If you have that much skill set, you can easily earn money, but you have to know that skills. You have to upgrade your skills and you have to master in that profession. Okay, when they don't get instant results within 2 or 3 months, they go into the market and they say this product don't work, this service don't work, this opportunity doesn't work. Okay, you have to understand these are the 2 reasons why market is so negative nowadays. After that, you have to use the fourth trick. You have to give them example. Yes, you have to use the fifth trick. You have to give them example. Let's suppose there is a class of 60 students. There is a class of 60 students, approximately 20 girls and 40 boys. Our teacher is teaching a subject of physics. Okay, and they are taking a test after a week in this class. Okay, let's suppose that day comes, teacher is taking that exam from 60 persons, from 60 students batch, and within an hour they provide results to those classmates. Okay, they provide results to those students and all the students get full marks. All the students can top in the class. No, there are only 2 to 3 persons who topped in the class. So why do you think that everyone started that journey can achieve that much thing in their life? Everyone gets success in their life. They have to make them consistent efforts. They have to improve their work ethics and they have to upgrade their skill set in order to achieve success. That's why same thing happens with toppers. They are regularly studying. They are consistently working on their skills and learning their academics. That's why they are scoring good marks in the exam. If you ask a simple question to the students, first one who is topper and the second one who get least marks in the class. If you ask this question to the topper that how you get so much good marks in the exam, he said our teacher is good and they are teaching so valuable lessons in less span of time. And when you ask same question with the person who scored least in the exam, they say our teacher is not good. They are not providing valuable stuff to us and they are not providing how to score good marks in the exam. Yes, you are asking the same question from both persons, but their perspective is different. You have to ask these things. You have to take advice from the people who are already successful in this field. Okay, not everyone gets success. It depends on their work ethics. It depends on their consistency, and it depends they are mastering their skill or not. Okay, you have to understand that thing. After that, you have to give them an example of B.Tech student. Yes, it takes up to 4 years to graduate to pass on B.Tech degree. After that, you are eligible to do a job in the sector, in any sector you want to pursue. If you have that much skill set, definitely. Okay, you are heading in your job journey and you get selected in the interview. That's good. That's good. But it takes you 4 years to achieve that status. It takes up to 4 years to get eligible for the job status. How are you going to pretend that I started my entrepreneurship journey and I get results in 2 months? How is that thing possible? You started that business and this business worked for me within 3 to 4 months. How is this thing possible? It takes up to 2 to 10 years to grow in business. Okay, it takes up to 1 to 5 years for an entrepreneur to get some results in their journey, because in entrepreneurship journey they face a lot of struggles, lot of problems, lot of rejection and a lot of things. Okay, you have to upgrade your skill set. If you are facing rejections, if you are facing problem, and if you are not able to sell out your product or service to the market, there is only one issue: we don't have that much skill set. Yes, because in a company there are both type of people. The person who sell approximate half percent of the overall turnover of the company, and there is a person who are not able to sell only 1% of the overall turnover, because the matter is their consistency, their work ethics, and how they are mastering their skill set or not. The person who is in the 1% group who are able to sell out 50% of the overall turnover from the company, he has so superb skill set, and he is not degrading his or her work ethics. He or she is doing his or her work on a regular basis, and they are getting results. You can't get results within 1 month. It takes many time until and unless you upgrade your skill. If you have that much skill set, you can easily. I am reviving the 5 steps of that objection handling. When people say the market is so negative, how you going to use that? Use the field felt formula. Make the person relax by using field felt formula that, yes sir, I am completely agree with you that the market is so negative right now. Yes, and there are lots of issues in the market. What it makes the person relax and calm down, and the person convert from speaking straight to listening straight. Okay, after that you have to use second skill. Is this the only problem you are facing right now to start your journey or to work in our marketing team? They will say yes. Just take some time until and unless you will get an answer from that person, from your prospect. After that you have to use third step. If the market gets positive, if your queries get resolved, if the problem you are facing gets resolved, will you work in our journey or in our entrepreneurship journey? They will say yes. Just take a time until and unless they will give you answer. Use the fourth trick. Give them explanation why is market so negative. There is only two reasons. There are some fraud companies enters in our company in the intention of doing fraud or scams. And the second one is there are lots of people who started that journey, but they discontinue their journey within few months of tenure because they are not getting results. You can't get results without doing something consistently, improving your work ethics, and to master your skill set. Fifth one, you have to give them example of BTech student or batch of 60 classmates. Okay, after that you just have to make the person agree. You clear all the doubts of the prospect, and the prospect is ready to join your team. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel, tap on the bell icon so you can get my video first. I am uploading a lot of videos how to handle objections in your entrepreneurship journey, or how to head on in your entrepreneurship journey. I am giving you a skill set. Yes, you can achieve massive results within few span of time if you have that much skill set, and I am providing that much practical knowledge. You can check out my playlist, free entrepreneurship course. And after all, I am providing some business strategies to boost up your business, to boost up your profit up to 15x. You can check out that profile also, YouTube channel. After all, if you are facing the main objection that I don't have money, just watch out that video right now to solve out that thing. I don't have money. Solve out this objection right now. Click on